Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through how to set your Snapchat story reminder notifications to silent mode. Updated and easy to follow. If you love using Snapchat but find those story reminder alerts a bit too noisy or distracting, this guide is exactly what you need. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your phone settings. This is the main hub where you control all your app notifications and system sounds, so it's the best place to manage Snapchat notifications specifically. Once you're in Settings, look for the section labeled Apps, or sometimes it might say Applications depending on your device. Tap on it so you can see all the apps installed on your phone. Now, scroll through your apps until you find Snapchat. Once you tap on Snapchat, you'll be taken to a detailed menu that controls various permissions and notifications related to the app. Next up, tap on Notifications. This is where all the alerts and sounds brought by Snapchat notifications live. Instead of turning all notifications off, we're going to make sure story reminders are silent, while leaving other alerts untouched. Within the Notifications menu, find and tap on Notification Categories. Snapchat sorts its notifications here by type, so you can customize them one by one. Under these categories, look for the one labeled Friends, then find and tap on Story Reminders. This is specifically the notification for when your friends post new stories, and Snapchat reminds you about them. Here's the key step. After tapping on Story Reminders, you'll see options to adjust the sound and alert style. Choose Silent to make sure you no longer hear any noise when these reminders pop up. And that's it. You've successfully set your Snapchat story reminder notifications to silent without turning off other important alerts. This means you won't get those interruptions at an inconvenient time, but can still stay connected to your snaps and chats. Thanks for watching.